really fuss-free stuff for my skin as much as I enjoy my skincare. So one of my favorite things is the Soy Face Cleanser because it removes my makeup at the same time as I'm cleansing my face. I really like the Shiseido White Lucent Luminizing Infuser. It's really good for blemishes. So I've recently also discovered this Divine Youth Skin Oil from L'Occitane. I use it in the day and the night.
Oh, so it's not too oily?
No, it doesn't leave my skin oily. It actually helps regulate like the sebum release of your skin, I suppose. And it just keeps your skin feeling really supple and not dry, so it's really good.
So I know that you perform, you sing and you perform, and how do you get yourself like stage ready?
Okay, so after I go through my skincare routine, and then obviously if the show is in the day, I put on a lot of sunscreen.
Yeah.
And then actually I just use a little bit of concealer instead of foundation. So I use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. It doesn't come in any tone, any shade, so good for all skin tones.
Yeah.
I prefer using it to foundation because it's much lighter and you kind of just dab it on your skin. It kind of like even looks like it makes your pores a little smaller. Don't forget your neck. You don't want like a different color neck.
Yeah.
And then I just take a brush and go like this.
What do you use the brush for?
Because I guess it evens out the loose powder brushes off the ones that are straight. Okay, this one isn't fabulous looking anymore because I use it so much.
Very real.
Yeah,
very real from
it's Casino. I actually always put on my jaw, under my cheeks, and here, like on my forehead, like in the corner.
Why do you color under your jaw?
So the idea of putting a shade on your face is to make that area look smaller. So putting it under your jaw makes your face look more like
right.
And then what I do love is bright lip colors.
Nice.
So Laura Mercier also has this Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick.
And it's called On Point.
And it's called On Point. Okay, so
Love
this is
it.
my favorite one.
Okay.
As you can see, I use it quite often. Yeah.
I mean,
So
Aarika, I don't know many people who can carry off orange lipstick.
you should try. I feel like they don't give themselves a chance. So after everything's done, usually I like setting my makeup. Urban Decay has a super good pollution protection spray.
Okay.
So it really helps to kind of keep your, everything in place that you've put on. Like, close your eyes and spray it across your face.
And do you like pat it in or just?
I don't. I just let it dry. Yeah.
So that's it. I mean, you're done with your regime.
That's it. I like to be quick.
Oh, you're super fast.
Yeah.
Wow. Brightening or anti-aging?
Ooh, anti-aging.
Working out or dieting?
Working out.
Makeup remover or straight to cleanser?
Ooh. Straight cleanser is me.
I knew it. Fillers and Botox? Never? Or maybe one day?
Maybe one day.
Okay, that's all I have.
Alright.